Hey guys, I was doing some stuff yesterday and all that, and you guys remember my, Mcculloch or Eager Beaver made by Mcculloch, the floats. Doesn't start because, I was fixing it one day, and it just stopped starting, and it didn't start ever since, so I think something wrong with the carburetor or the fuel line or something. But back to the main subject. I was working yesterday and I got this Eager Beaver by Mcculloch, 20. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says 2.0 CID the chainsaw. It's old. I had it running, but the only thing is it leaks gas. So that's why I have it in this bucket to take it out. It's a good machine. I mean, I got it started before. It didn't start. The person that gave it to me is a friend of mine, and he said it didn't start, but I got it started. And I don't know, switch is right here. If you can say that. Shut it off. I don't know, switch is right there. Keep that on. This is the chain oil, which is right there. This is the gas tank, which obviously you're not going to see any gas in it because it leaks gas. Choke is right here. It's a funny looking choke, but this is a pump thing for the chain oil. Throttle, I think it's clutched. So you gotta pull that and push that for the throttle. The muffler is right there, down there. That's the thing that moves the chain right here. Carburetor's in there, the air filter. The chain thing and pull cord. Let's see if I can put some gas in it and see if we can get it started for you guys. If you put some gas in it and you try and start it, it will start up. But it's kind of a pain to start up too. So put that like that. Some gas in it. Let's see if we can get started. Yeah, I don't know what the model number is to it though. I don't know if you guys heard that, but I have no clue what the model number is to it, so I couldn't tell you that. But I know it's a Eager Beaver. But let's see if we can get started here. Pull that a couple times. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there we go. Pull that. I might need a choke, so I'll put the choke on. Yeah, I'm gonna do a cool start. So I'll put my foot there. That's kind of hard to start. Ooh, first fire. We got fire. Come on. Ooh. Ooh. Come on. Fire. Come on. It will start up. Doesn't like to start. Come on. Come on. like to start the chain turns. Come on. See, it doesn't like to. It doesn't stay running, but it runs. See, I set the idling thing too. Come on. Well, I guess it's a good thing that it stalls, because the on-off switch doesn't work, so. Well, it idles, sort of. Well, guys, that's all that's gonna happen today. So. Maybe I'll try it one more time. I'm not gonna put any gas in, I'm just gonna go with that. Try and fire up again. Nope, guess not. Alright. Doesn't want to start. There's the whole thing there right there. She doesn't seem to want to start, so. Alright guys, if you have any advice for me why it won't stay running, but I don't know, switch doesn't work, so that's, I guess, a good thing that stalls, so, alright guys, if you have some advice, post a comment on this video or something, alright? Cause I have no idea, I have some ideas, so I put some gas in the carburetor and it fired right up. But it wouldn't start yesterday, and put gas in the carburetor and it started right up. And it started with me about a minute or two, and I cut this thing right here, that little branch right there, off with it. And it didn't, and then it stalled. Well, it kept on running for a little bit longer, and then it stalled, and I tried to start up, it ran, and it stalled, and kept on doing it. So, if you have any advice, let me know, and I'll see if it's good or not, and I'll have my dad look at it, so. Alright guys, take it easy.